All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to expand the appearance on this. So you can see that in my appearance panel here, I've got 3D I've done and a drop shadow. If you don't know where that appearance panel is, by the way, just go up here, Window and Appearance. And so to jump right in, you can you grab this, you go to Object, and you just go to Expand Appearance. But there's a little bit more than that. I'll show you. How to separate stuff out, because you could be having a problem. More than likely this is going to go into Photoshop, or you're going to export it, and something could be going on with the rendering or the shadows when you bring one in from Illustrator to Photoshop. So this does get rid of that. So we just got to make sure you ungroup it, and then now you've got your separate pieces. See that? And then I'm going to do that here, ungroup. Boop. And so at least if you do need these all separated out, or just the fact that they are 3D and they're very complex and it's slowing your whole computer down, that could be a problem. You can get rid of that part just by doing this. So hey, hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.